Okay, Electric MX here. We got the issue with the customer's quad. They got their controller on the, not the hall sensor, but the controller back in there on the 1500 watt Venom e-grizzly. So this is a common problem with this model here. As soon as it gets a little bit wet, these kind of fry. Speaking with the manufacturer on them, they suggest to kind of do a little bit of waterproofing and sealing the connectors with silicone, or waterproofing with Flex Seal, or whatever your preferred product is to use. So I just want to show you guys how easily they come apart. So I've just started to disassemble this. So I just took off the seat, all these number 10s and all these Allen keys here. So take it off and then take off the handlebars. So I just unscrewed everything that mounts this frame, like the body paneling to the frame. So I'll just show you how it comes off, and we'll have a look at the controller now. So I've unbolted this back rack, which comes off there. And then this guy, it's all freed up. I already took the bolts out of everything. So let's see how she goes. Just gonna slide the handlebars through. Disconnect the key.
Okay?
Disconnect the key. And just a voltage sensor on here.
Right. Put them on that side. And
like
on this side so we don't get mixed up, yo. Right? Is that a good idea? Is that a good idea so you don't get mixed up?
That's it.
Because some dudes get mixed up because they don't go.
So now, just like that, got the body off of here. Just had to unplug these last little wires. Not too bad. They're just quick plug and play. Just give that a little push on the end there. Comes off pretty easily. So there's the quad. Bear down is pretty simple, right? So what I'm gonna do for this customer is I'm gonna take this controller out of this working quad and then install it into this one for them, so they can get enjoying their summer. So just so you can see here, this is the voltage regulator. We've had one issue on one of these so far, and then here's the controller. So it's 70 amp, 1500 watt, 48 volt. There's the number KTF03018A, 1500W, 48V, right? So there's all your phases from your motor, right? And then there's all your hall sensor wiring coming out over there, right? Pretty sweet. Let's get this baby swapped out. This is a pretty simple unit here, right? It's kind of cheap and exposed. You can see they tried to do some waterproofing on here, and so did we. But all this stuff is always kind of an issue unless it's tucked away a little bit better and water sealed, and just all of that is very crucial. Another thing I find about riding these ones, because I've taken this one out in the snow a lot. I haven't had any issues with mine personally, but I know when I get it wet, what I do is I let it completely dry before turning it back on, or I'll even take a blower and dry it off, make it all nice before starting it up. Because the electronics, they're okay to get a little bit wet as long as they're not running, because then you'll create this short circuit when you conduct through there, right? So guys, peace out, Electric MX, all the best.